but you can see what happened here in 2008. So this is vehicle sales. So we're cruising along here. People are buying cars, and then all of a sudden 2008 hits. Bam, crap. I'm not going to go buy a new car. I don't know if I'm going to have a job tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay in my house, right? The whole world turned upside down. Well, that was bad for us for probably, I don't know, my experience was about 3 months of, oh my gosh, what are we going to do? And then all of a sudden car count started climbing. Why? Because people were not buying new cars. Sound familiar, right? Like we're in today. We're not buying new cars. We're going to keep the cars we've got, and so we're going to spend a lot more money. So I saw car counts go up. We saw average repair order go up, and we saw this trend really through 11, 12, 13. Myself, a lot of my clients had really, really strong years. And then what happened is you can see really starting 2013 and 14. And then as you see in 2015 and 16, more cars were sold than ever in US history. So what happened there is people said, okay, enough's enough. I got 260,000 miles on old Betsy. It's time to trade her in. I think the economy's recovered. I'm going to do better. And then we saw shops going, man, what's going on? I'm losing all my customers. I'm losing car count. What's going on? Well, it wasn't necessarily anything we were doing wrong. It's just that this trend of people turning in the cars. So I bring this up for two reasons. Number one, now we look at our shops, right? We're in 2022. What cars are in our sweet spot right now? The 2015, 16, 17s, 18s, right? Record sales, right? So now we've got a lot of cars out of warranty trying to get in our shops. We've got the same trend that we had in 2008. People are not buying new cars because they're so expensive, the chip shortage. You've got used cars way overpriced. So we are in another bubble per se of great times within our business. But we have the advantage here that more cars are on the road than ever before.